I want to take a couple minutes and talk about polygenic traits. There are many traits that are controlled by more than a single gene or even a couple genes, and they seem to be some of the traits that people are more interested in. And so, polygenic trait, as it says in the name, is made up of many genes. And so, skin color is an example I have here on the screen. You can see it's a giant Punnett square. We're not going to learn to do a Punnett square that large, but it's an easy way to show that there's so many different possibilities. And so skin color, it's almost an infinite number of different shades, and from very light to very dark. And so Punnett square just shows that it all is based on if you get the dominant or the recessive allele. And so the light would be the recessive and the dark would be the dominant allele. And so it shows for 6 different alleles here. If you get all 6 recessive, you have very little pigment in your skin and you're very, very light. And so it goes from there. Add 1 allele, it's a little bit darker, 2, so on and so forth, until if you have all of the dominant alleles, then you have the very dark skin. And so what I want you to know about polygenic traits is that you can actually tell them apart from other traits based on the many different variations of phenotypes. And so skin color is just one of those examples. Let's look at a couple other examples here. Think that these traits are something that people are really interested in because there's some of the most visible traits that you see in individuals. So hair color is another one. So you have anywhere from very, very dark black hair to very, very light blonde hair or red hair. And so all the different possibilities. Once again, there's almost an infinite number of possibilities of hair color as well as eye color. And so eye color is one that you get so many different shades and possibilities. And so a couple of things I want you to know is how to recognize a polygenic trait. And easy enough, like I just explained, it is because of the large number of phenotypes that you get. So many possible phenotypes. You don't just have one or the other, even 3 or 4, but dozens and dozens of possible phenotypes, and be able to explain that. And so we're not doing any Punnett squares with polygenic traits. I just want you to be able to recognize them and to mention them because most people are very interested in these. And so I think that's everything for polygenic traits.